how to connect PS4 controller to iPhone to play Fortnite. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your iPhone so that you can play Fortnite. All right, so as you guys can see here, I already have my controller connected, and just to show you guys that this method that I'm about to show you works 100%, just look at this. If I hit the triangle button, it allows me to play the actual game. I'm just going to show you guys that this works, and then after you see that it worked, just follow the steps in this video to see what I did to connect my PlayStation 4 controller to my iPhone. This is a dual shock controller, by the way. The console that I had purchased was a PlayStation 4 Pro. See, as you guys can see, playing Fortnite with the PlayStation controller, just to show y'all that it works. I'm going to jump off the party bus and parachute my way onto the island. Then after I do that, I will show you guys exactly what you're supposed to do. As you can see, we're on the party bus right now, so let me just move it around to show y'all that the controller is hooked up to my iPhone 11 Pro. All right, let me jump off of the party bus by pushing X. As you can see, when I turn my analog, the analog turns. I'm about to release the parachute right now. All right. This is just showing you guys proof that the controller is connected to my iPhone. All right. Let me go ahead and land just to give you guys more proof. If this video that you're watching help you at all on YouTube, be sure to give it a thumbs up, by the way, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm gonna go ahead and land right here. All right, let me show you guys all the buttons work. If I hit R2, it swings the axe, as you can see. If I hit circle, it pulls up the come on, man, who's shooting at me? Let me run away. Just trying to get somewhere, guys. All right, so anyway, my point is it works. As you can see, when I hit start, the controller hits start, hit the middle button. Nothing happens when you hit the middle button, but I can leave the game. Look at this. Let me go ahead and leave this game. All right, so let me show you guys what I did to connect my PlayStation 4 controller to my iPhone 11 Pro. Let me first let me exit out of this app. So it's very simple what you're going to do here. The two main things you need is, number one, you need a PlayStation 4 controller. This is a DualShock 4 controller. Well, it's like the latest model controller. This controller came with my PlayStation 4 Pro. So you need one of these type of controllers here. In order for this to work, you're also going to need a iPhone of some sort. One of the latest iPhones, the one that you see here is the iPhone 11 Pro. You can do this with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it should work for iPhones that came out before these, but it definitely works on these. All right, so just keep that in mind. Now, what did I do in order to connect the controller? So first thing you want to do, guys, in order to connect the PlayStation 4 controller to the iPhone is scroll over. Let me turn this phone up like that so you guys can see what I'm doing. You scroll over till you get to the settings tab. All right. Once you click on the settings tab, you're going to, let's see. Boom, boom, boom. You're going to scroll down till you see, where is it at? Settings tab, Bluetooth. You're going to click on Bluetooth. All right, and once you click Bluetooth, you should be on this screen right here. All you're going to do, guys, once you get on Bluetooth, as you can see, if you look closely here, that it says connected to DualShock 4 wireless controller. Yours is not going to say connected because you got to first turn on Bluetooth. So let's say that your Bluetooth is off. It would look like that right there. So the first thing you're going to do is turn on Bluetooth by clicking that green button. And once you click on that green button to turn on your Bluetooth, you're going to now have to sync your DualShock PlayStation 4 controller to the iPhone. And the way you do this is very simple. All you're going to do is you're going to press the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time. All right. So you want to push them both at the same exact time and hold it. All right. So don't just push it, hold it. So it'll look like this. You'll hold them both at the same time. And then you just hold it like that. Just keep waiting. And your controller should start flashing like that. Once your controller is flashing, you can let it go and let it just flash. And it should say DualShock 4 wireless controller. Sorry, I got the hiccup. It should say DualShock 4 wireless controller. It'll be down here though. All right. All you're going to do is click on it when it says DualShock controller. And then you're going to click, hold on, let me click on it. Let it connect, and it should connect. And once it connect, once your controller has paired to your iPhone, it will be red just like this. So, all right, let me make sure that this is good and running. Make sure you guys can see what's going on. All right, so it should be looking like this, guys. Red at the top. And then as you can see when you look at the iPhone, that this is connected. All right, once it's connected, you could just go out of your settings and go into the game that you want to play. So the game that I'm going to choose here is Fortnite. I don't think that Call of Duty had put the controller capability in, the controller settings in Call of Duty yet. So I know Fortnite for sure has it. So let's go to Fortnite. And once you get inside of Fortnite, you should be able to just play with the controller. As you can see, everything is working. Pretty smooth, right? And if you hit R, you go over. All right, everything should be working, guys. But that's how you do it. Now let me show y'all this one more time, just to make sure that you guys get it. Be sure, again, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos on, PlayStation. All right, so check this out. You got your controller, you got your iPhone. You go to settings in your iPhone. Once you go to settings, you go to Bluetooth. Once you're in Bluetooth, you hold down this button and this button at the same time. Hold it down till your controller starts blinking. Once your controller starts blinking, it should pop up right here that says wireless controller. You got to make sure you got Bluetooth on, by the way. All right, this should be green. Bluetooth should be on. But once the controller pop up, you just click on the controller and it should pair to your iPhone. And that's all you have to do in order to play Fortnite on your iPhone using your PlayStation 4 DualShock controller. All right, now, again, I hope this video had helped you guys out today. If it did, be sure to leave a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more videos on, PlayStation 4 Pro and iPhone. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.